be doing the classification of medically important viruses. There are two groups depending on the nucleic acids that they contain. You've got the DNA and the RNA viruses. In this video, we will only be speaking about the DNA viruses, and in the next video, we'll continue with the RNA. There are 6 DNA viruses in total, and we will write them according to the family. So if you want to write the family, you have to write Viridae at the end of it. Then for the genus and the species, it's both virus. For example, you can write family Herpesviridae. So Viridae is for the family, and when I make it herpes virus, it's either the genus or the species. So as I said, there are 6. We'll be writing them according to the family. First one is family Herpesviridae. I will not be speaking about each virus individually. So the second one is Poxviridae. The third one would be Adenoviridae, followed by Hepatnoviridae, then Papillomaviridae, and Parvoviridae. So you can think of it as Henry peels all his potatoes properly. You've got herpes, pox, adeno, hepatna, papilloma, and parvo. Here are the exceptions to make it easier for you. So all of them are a certain kind of way, except a couple of them that are different. So we're going to have some signs to differentiate them. So the asterisk would be complex. The plus sign would be single-stranded. Now, if they're DNA, they should be double-stranded, but some of them are single-stranded. A dot would represent whether they are enveloped or not. And in green, we'll write the shape of their DNA, whether they're circular or linear or segmented. All of them are linear, but hepatna and papilloma are circular. None of them are enveloped except the first one. So Herpesviridae gets a dot. And now we move on to complex. Now all of them are icosahedral except Poxviridae, which is complex. So we've got icosahedral, complex, spherical, or filamentous. Parvoviridae and Hepatnoviridae have a single-stranded DNA. The reason we have put the plus sign in brackets for Hepatna is because it also has double-stranded DNA, not only single. Now we will move on to the medically important ones, starting with our first family, Herpesviridae. It's got 6 viruses under it. They're called human herpes virus, viruses 1 to 6. So the first one is, the first and second one actually are called herpes simplex viruses. They're called 1 and 2. They cause herpes and encephalitis. The second one would be varicella zoster viruses, and they cause varicella and herpes zoster. They are known as human herpes virus number 3. The third one would be Epstein-Barr virus, which causes infectious mononucleosis, which affects our immunity, and it is known as the herpes virus number 4. Next would be cytomegalovirus, CMV, which causes congenital disease. It's very common and infectious mononucleosis in immunocompromised patients, and it would be herpes virus number 5. And the last one, herpes virus number 6, is known by the same name, and it causes roseola. Moving on to the next family, Poxviridae has 3 viruses. We've got smallpox virus, which causes smallpox. Then we've got vaccinia, which causes cowpox. And the third one would be a milder smallpox disease caused by monkeypox. Moving on to Adenoviridae, the virus, the genus has the same name, so it would be adenovirus, and it causes respiratory diseases, conjunctivitis, and gastroenteritis. Then Hepatinoviridae is to do with the hepatitis B virus, which obviously causes the liver disease hepatitis. And Papillomaviridae is the human papilloma virus, HPV, and it's to do with warts, cervical dysplasia, cervical carcinoma. Parvoviridae, the last one, the name of the virus is parvovirus, and it causes erythema infectiosum. That would be it for the DNA viruses. Hop on to the next video to see what the RNA viruses are and what they cause. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.